Grady, hit Hunter. He's in the building right there. He's in the small building. Yeah, keep him like that. Okay, cover me. Oh. Cody, move out of the way. I got you. I got you. Hey, come over here. Shoot him. He's up there.
Wait, my gun's out of bullets. Who's left on your team?
There's this guy right here.
Reloading!
Oh.
Wait, I'm coming with you.
It's completely out now.
You're going for it.
No, I'm turning knife now. Yeah.
He's right behind the green board. The
Okay.
ripped green board. There's one more guy.
He's right here. He's right here. Give me the pistol. Yeah. I got you.
That's actually a really good smell.
No, I was shooting the